legit this scene right here, this is where I almost crashed it. I slowed it down and stopped before I actually got in there. But dang it. There's still a lot of learning curves when it comes to this. Yes, it's very easy to use right off the back, but there's still a lot of learning curves. I still don't know how to use all the features. I still don't know how to do, because the footage looks pretty decent itself, but I think it could be better if we just get a little bit of practice in. That was the first flight of the DJI Osmo, I was going to say DJI Osmo Pocket, DJI Mavic Mini. And maybe we'll be doing something next with the drone. I need ideas, and well, videos are going to get pretty freaking epic now that I have every point of view. Basic camera, action, DSLR, drone. I just got the whole 9 yards, and this just completes it. And one thing, it took so effing long to try to get this controller connected to the drone to actually test that footage. It took like 2 hours just to get a less than 15 minute vlog footage for drone. It's crazy. It's just the whole Android side doesn't really work well, but I got it to work somehow. I don't know what I did. I just downloaded the app like 50,000 times, different versions of the app, and it still would not work. And finally, I just got it to work. I replugged in the plug, and then boom, it worked. I don't think it was a plug, but it just kept plugging in, because I plugged the plug in like 15 different times and nothing happened. And then the last time I plugged it in, it just worked. I don't know, but I literally might just wait till it gets darker, and then I'll do another test of this to see how good it does. Because right now it's like 2:04. I'm gonna wait till like 4 o'clock at least, and then do another test footage, get some more. But I'll be right back until that happens. You know, it's Christmas. I had to get me something to drink, and then I'll go home and chill, and then we'll test out the drone again. So I still want to do a lot of learning on it. I also don't want to fly drunk. That'll be the ending. I'll end up crashing my drone or something. Being stupid. I don't want to be stupid and drop the drone. Crash it. Hey guys, it's literally the next morning. I went to the park to try to get some drone shots. I'm going to get some drone shots right now. Hope you guys do enjoy. This is going to be basically the final testing. This is basically going to be the final testing for the drone. Hope you guys do enjoy. It is freaking bright now, but hope you guys do enjoy. With no further ado, let's get into the last drone footage. Hope you guys do enjoy, and then I'll do an outro once this is over. Alright guys, thank you for watching. From the Gaming Kings 47, signing off. Till the next one, peace. Hope you guys did enjoy.